Purpose of this video is to show you how to set up a Loom account to record, edit, and share video. Basically, we're making a Loom video about how to make a Loom. The first thing you'll need to do is get the Loom extension and add it onto your Chromebook. Once you have it, then you can log in. So we'll go to Get Loom for free, and you can sign up with your Google account. So just go ahead and use your school Gmail account. And once you're on Loom, you'll come to the screen that looks like this, and then you'll click on the red button over here on the right-hand side that says record a video. And then since I'm going to be making my video for my research project, I'm going to switch this. You can either go to camera only, screen and camera, or screen only, but I'm going to use camera only today. Then you can click on start recording. They give you a little countdown there. And then you can also hide the tools down here. So I'm going to hide the menu. So right now I'm recording my video. I want to show you a couple of the features that are down here. You can also show the menu here. So the X is how you can cancel the recording. You can also pause the recording. So I'm going to hit pause for a moment.
Pause is really a great feature if you have multiple characters or if there are more than one person in your group who's playing different roles in your video.
So when you're finished recording, you can go ahead and hit the check mark. And then in just a second, you'll see your video that pops up. Now across the bottom here, there's this notification where you can change the title. So since I'm making a video about how to make a Loom with Loom, I'm going to change my title, how to make a Loom. I can change that. When I'm ready to do some edits on my video, I can click up here and I can watch it
down there. And then you can also hide the tools down here. So I'm going to hide the menu.
So sometimes it's a little hard to, you may have to watch it a couple times to find the parts that you need to edit or you want to cut out.
So right now I'm recording my video.
So it looks like the first few seconds of that video are ones that I want to take out. So I think it was up to, there's a timer down here so I can know for sure. But I might come down here, I think it was about the first 12 seconds. So if you come up where the scissors are, over here on the right-hand side, you can click on trim, and then you see this white button that pops up here about start trimming. I click on start trimming, and then you'll see this red line that comes up. This is the area that I can trim. And you notice that I can change it. So right now it's from 0 to 14.4 seconds. You can even go to the 10th of a second, so you can do some really nice editing on here. But I think it was about 12 when I was about ready to start. So I'm going to come back here, and then I'm going to hit play so I can see if I was right about what I needed to edit.
I'm recording my video. I want to show you a couple of the features that are down here. You can also show the menu here. So the X is how you can cancel the recording. You can also pause the recording. So I'm going to hit pause for a moment.
It looks like I have another pause here that I may want to take out.
Ow! 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 Miss Gibbs, why did you do that? Miss Gibbs, ow! Ow! Oh, man!
So I can trim it from both sides too. So if I want to trim a little bit from the end, I can. So maybe I need to adjust my edits more.
So I'm going to show you how to do that now.
And you'll see how I keep adjusting it just a little bit more so I get the part that I want to really cut out and not the whole video. Let's see if I've got this right now.
To do that now. So when you're finished, happen. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So when you're finished recording, you can go ahead and hit the check.
Now I can click remove. And when I'm all done, you can see that I made some edits at the beginning and I also made some in the middle and some at the end that I can go publish changes. And then when you're ready to share your video, you come up to the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner, then you can download it. And it may take a second until that circle goes all the way around. And then you can upload that to your Google Drive to share with your teacher or your classmates. That's a little bit about how you can use Loom to make a screencast video.